Today I'll be unpackaging a dual USB charger. You can use this on an iPhone or iPad. I bought this off of eBay, shipped straight from China. Let's see if I can adjust this so you can read what it says on the packaging. It's a DZ88 AC wall travel charger for iPhone or iPad. So it just came shipped in a simple package like this. Took 2 weeks to arrive. Again, this only costs $2, and you can charge 2 things at the same time, i.e. an iPad and an iPhone at the same time. So comes in first this package over here, which says F5503, made in China. And then you have this over here. I've already tested this thing using an iPad and an iPhone at the same time it charges. You can see it says different model number here. It says AR2100. You can do 2.1 amps or half an amp. And on the top it says 2.1 amps for iPad and 1 amp for others. It's kind of strange. It says the input's 1 amp. So it's $2. You know, your mileage may vary. Sure, if you order this, one might work, one might not be broken. But for me, for two similar ones, different model numbers, but they work fine. And so I'll put the eBay seller that I got this from.